congratulations!
Yahoo!
You're a great team! Oh yeah! Very good! Open up and say perfect landing! Oh, hello, jumping! Now you're jumping, clubbing just like I like it!
Hooray! Question mark?
Bror, niemand boeit!
Right. Let's go, girls. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Okay.
Come on, man! Bror, niemand boeit! Yes, you! I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her. Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nice, nice!
I like that. You little rat.
Bye.
Hooray! Question mark? Nice, nice! Okay, let's go!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift. Where's your mommy? Just like to try some of my delicious ice cream.
Bye, have a great time.
Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show! Wow! Congratulations! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! 愛情おいしくよ Hello!
Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Thank you. Come again.
My God, are you still?
Okay, let's go!
Okay.
Okay! Oh yes!
Go, go, go!
Going to camp and kids today. I'm looking for the chump puppy ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye bye.
Okay. Good job!
Let's go! The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Bye. Okay.
Amazing!
Here I go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Wow! Congratulations! Yahoo!
Yes, you. I know know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit!
Hello, chunky boy. Now you're chunky puppy just like I like. Open up and say, perfect landing.
Uh-oh.
You're a great team.
Whoa, amazing! Hey, what happened?
I got an idea.
Oh, hello! Hooray! Question mark? Okay, let's go! Bror, niemand boeit!
Come on, man.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nice.
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Thanks, Pally.
Very good.
Okay.
Wow! Congratulations!
Very good. Come on, step it up.
Hooray! Question mark?
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
bye.
Here we go!
Yeah.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have you.
Bye, have a great time.
Dori 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 dori.
Whoa, amazing!
Oh no.
Hey, what happened?
Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Oh, hello.
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister?
We're in trouble now. Hello. Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years. Yes. In the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops.
I got an idea.
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
Bye-bye.
You're a great team.
Dori 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 dori.
Yeah, let's go.
I am ready to put on a show.
Let's go!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. Bye.
Here we go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I am ready to put on a show.
Hello, cutie pie.
Here I go.
Let's go, let's go.
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yeah? Too much or couch potato Ed boys like yourself?
Hey, hey, hey!
Okay.
Whoa! Amazing!
No.
Hey, hey, hey!
Oh no!
Okay, let's go!
Wow! Congratulations! Yay!
Thank you very much.
Come on!
Bye, have a great time!
Here we go!
I'm going to count some kids today. I'm looking for the jump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye.
Oh, hello! Whoa, amazing! Roar, niemand boeit!
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone. Haha, you're a great team.
Okay.
Going to find some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Nice, nice!
Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod and my sister? We're not friends anymore? Yes, you! I know you have Liz. I want you to release her. Haha, you're a great team.
Uh-oh, come on!
I got an idea.
Wow! Congratulations!
Nice, nice!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
I like that.
Ta-da!
Let's go, let's go.
Goody, he's here. Yeah!
Okay, let's go!
Stupid boy! You have the guts to face me, huh? But you're not
Bye.
fast.
Here I go!
Come on, step it up.
Wow! Congratulations!
Hooray! Question mark? Yeah, boy. Nice, nice!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Oh, hello, jump boy. Now you're jumping, clubby, just
want you to release her.
Beautiful, Katie.
Oh, yeah!
Whoa! Amazing!
That's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Oh, what a beautiful child.
Uh-oh.
I got an idea.
Very good. Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nice, nice. Here we go!
Yahoo!
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Goody, he's here.
Bye.
Come on, man.
Okay.
Yahoo! Yeah!
Open up and say
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello!
Wow! Congratulations!
Hello, Chuck. Now you're jumping for me just like I like.
Hey, what happened?
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Yahoo!
Uh-oh.
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hooray! Question mark? Hey, what happened?
I got an idea.
Nice, nice. Okay, let's go!
Haha, you're a great team. Oh, yeah!
Right.
Hey, it's me, Goku!
Okay. Nice, nice.
What a beautiful child. Come here. I have a
Very good.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Whoa, amazing! Come on! Beautiful, Katie.
Wow! Congratulations!
Bye.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Respond to a 1017 due south.
Come on, man. Yes, you. I know you have Liz. I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit. Aha!
Oh, yeah!
Let's go, let's go.
Hooray! Question mark? Thanks, Pally.
going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
We're in trouble now.
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Thanks, Pally.
Okay. Here I go! Woo!
Here we go!
Woohoo! I'm ready!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show!
What a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come a little.
Here we go!
Whoa, amazing!
Go, go, go!
Hello!
Liz, I think you're confused, boy.
Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years.
Nani?
We're in trouble now.
Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Yes. In the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops. Are you all right?
Dori 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 dori.
Okay.
Oh, yes! Yay!
Okay, let's go!
You're a great team.
Here we go!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow! Congratulations!
Whoa, amazing!
Okay.
Let's go!
Go, go, go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye-bye.
Go, go, go!
Wow!
Oh, yes!
Okay, let's go!
Bye.
Hello!
Aha!
I am ready to put on a show!
Hooray! Hooray!
Oh, 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 oh! Sugoi! Ha ha! Here I go! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! I am ready to put on a show! Hello!
Come on!
Mario's gonna be something illegal.
Oh my god! What is that?
Oh my god!
Go.
Say what?
Bruh.
Here we go! Yes.
Easy.
Nice. Nice.
Oh! Whoa! すごい!
Going to kill some kids today. Looking for the jumpy ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Ho-ho! Here I go! Whoa! Amazing! Here we go! Woohoo!
Evacuate the building. Let's go.
Bye, have a great time!